Chapter 2. Nouns. A noun is the name of any person, animal, place, thing, material, and even emotions or ideas. Kinds of nouns. Nouns can be of four kinds: common, collective, proper, abstract. Proper nouns. Names of particular places, persons, and objects. Examples: John, Delhi, Chennai. Common nouns. General names of places, persons, or objects. Examples: boys, park, chairs. Collective nouns. Names of a collection or groups of persons, animals, or things forming a unit. Examples: army, mob, nation. Abstract nouns. Names of quantities, ideas, emotions, and such things which we cannot see or touch. Examples: friendship, honesty, beauty. Material nouns. Names of materials or substances used as ingredients for making things. Examples: water, iron, steel. Countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns or countables are the nouns that can be counted. Examples: books, pens, pencils. Countable nouns have both plural and singular forms. Usually, most of the common and collective nouns are countable nouns. Uncountable nouns are those that cannot be counted. They are also called uncountables. Examples: milk, sugar, tea, bread, soap. Uncountable nouns have singular form only. There are nouns which can be countable or uncountable depending upon the context, such as glass, paper, fish, and oil. Read these sentences. The photo frame is made of glass. Uncountable. Please give me an empty glass. Countable. In sentence A, glass is an uncountable noun, while in sentence B, glass is a countable noun. Countable nouns may be used with words such as a, one, two, few, and many. Examples: few people came to the party. One boy got hurt while practicing. Uncountable nouns cannot be used with these words. We cannot say one milk or few sugar. With uncountable nouns, we can use words like little or much. Examples: I need some milk. Put a little sugar in the milk. We can also use groups of words like cup of, slice of, cakes of with uncountable nouns. Examples: a cup of milk, 2 cups of milk, 4 cakes of soap, 5 slices of bread. Note that though we write cups, cakes, slices, the uncountable milk, soap, and bread remain the same. Proper nouns like names of countries such as India, Pakistan, names of particular places such as Delhi, Bhopal, and names of particular persons or things are unique. There is only one of their kind, so they are called uncountable nouns. Material nouns like sugar, milk, tea, iron, glass are uncountables. Abstract nouns like honesty, knowledge, beauty are uncountable. Collective nouns. A collective noun refers to a group or set of animals, persons, or things forming a unit. The following are examples of collective nouns. A bunch of keys, a herd of buffaloes, a bundle of sticks, a crowd of people. Abstract nouns. An abstract noun refers to things that cannot be seen or touched, such as a quality, an idea, and a concept. Formation of abstract nouns. Abstract nouns can be formed from adjectives, common nouns, and verbs. Those derived from adjectives and common nouns signifying qualities or characteristics are termed as attributive nouns. Examples: excellence from excellent, eminence from eminent. The abstract nouns which are derived from verbs are called verbal nouns. Examples: protection from protect, decision from decide. The attribute and verbal nouns are formed by adding suffixes such as ness, dom, e, hood, shun, essie, age, or li. However, in certain cases, when a suffix is added to a word or root word, the spelling is slightly altered to form the derived word. Examples: birth from bear, length from long.